Dear Shining Ones, we are the Star Mothers, and we step forward into this sacred circle to give you this. You are in the place of 12 right now. And we have just told this to our dear Mele'ha, that there are 11 cards, but you notice she reads 11 twice to make 12. She was resistant to make 12 cards. We know this. We also feel that all humans like to exert their will in the form of resistance. And we ask you this now. We ask for you to be open for you, not for us, not for anyone here, but for you. We ask that you trust that what brought you here today is love, is benevolence, is compassion. Whatever has been presented from this stage these past 2 days and tomorrow is presented with that same heart. It is presented in support of humanity because you are our children. We have nourished you and nurtured you literally, physically. And now we do it spiritually and perhaps also physically as you use these tools in your everyday human life to begin this grand transformation like any unseen on this planet. We, as the Star Mothers, are not the only ones that have helped prepare for this. There are many here in this room, and there will continue to be. And there will continue to be those of you who open to your gifts that help bring forward the wave of transformation in a gentle way, not a tsunami. Hold on, it is a wild ride. But know that you have partners, many partners in spirit. And this thing, this activation that we bring you today, we already knew what it would be used for when it was brought through 3 years ago. Of course, we couldn't absolutely predict because you can be stubborn and opinionated. But here you are. Here you are in your willingness, stepping forward to say yes. You were born to be here. You were born to shepherd this energy wave into its new form. And we could say it may be unpleasant, but that is also a choice. The unpleasantness comes from how you judge things. So, don't. Easy for us to say, right? From the other side. But know that in our love and our support of you, with the many that also are here to love and support you, that it does not have to be difficult. That the resistance that you feel is fear underneath. Wouldn't you say? And there is usually resistance to unasked for change. So we ask you to take a breath. And welcome change as your comrade. Change is what brings about the miracles of your human life. Imagine if a woman's body would not be willing to go through the changes of gestation and childbirth. No more human life. Imagine, if you can, the changes that your own human body has gone through so far What if you decided to stop when you were 4 years old? Good luck with that. But you see our point. You can embrace it and use the tools that are around you, or you can fight it. And perhaps you will do a little of both along the way, just to exercise your will every now and then. But that's okay. We love you unconditionally, and we continue to send our beams of loving support, not just through what Mele'ha has given you here today, but through all these people that are here presenting, and through the many on the planet that are part, as you are, of the great shift. That is enough from us. The rest is up to you. And know that even as it is up to you, even as we step back, we are never far. We are part of this great awakening. And we celebrate that every moment with you. Please love yourselves as we, your parents, pour our heart's love into your hearts. And now we step back. Take a breath.